Okay, I'm sure you as an amazing alpha most of the time we listen to ourselves, we listen to our heart, and we listen to ourselves. But there are people that are around us that really care so deeply about us. It might be a family, it might be a friend, or it might be somebody at a workplace who cares so much about us. These people, they come and they give us advice most of the time because they care so much for us and they want us to grow and they want us to see us becoming the best of the alpha male that we can ever be. So you, when you're having a conversation with these people, when you're having a conversation with these people so that you can grow and you can become the best, you need to be open. You need to be open in that conversation. And you need to keep your emotions in check. But you keeping your emotions in check because you're going to start listening with your head and your ears, not with your heart. And by you listening with your head and your ears, you're going to listen and you're going to understand what the person is saying. Then you're going to validate the information that he's going to say. And that's all, my man, is love. And you're going to be the best of the alpha male that you were created to be. So amazing alpha. These people, they care so much that us having a conversation with them, if we can understand the conversation together and we can put what the person's view is and your view and putting it together, we're going to become great and become the best of the alphas that we were created to be. So today, my job here, I'm going here to empower, I'm here to inspire, and I'm here to encourage and motivate and energize you to be the best of the alpha males that you were created to be and to live your life to your full potential. And so that you as an amazing alpha, when you get out there to the world, all you're going to be doing is kicking ass and living and becoming the best. So, are you ready, gentlemen, to take your conversation game with your close family observer closer? Let's dive in the main show because you are amazing alpha. This show is for you to build, encourage, and inspire.
Keep up, nigga. Okay. I love myself.
And what's up, gentlemen? It's me, your boy Maz, and welcome to Getting Alpha Male Experience. Game with Once, the one and only show that teaches you and builds you and inspire you and encourage you as a man so that you can become the best version of the alpha male that you are meant to be. I'm talking about the men amongst men. You're going to stand out and you're going to stand and become the best version of the alpha male that you were created to be. So, if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing down, putting a notification bell, ringing that bell so that you don't miss each and every content that comes your way because 2 videos are going to be coming each and every week for you and they are free and they're in the house. So just subscribe down. It's free to subscribe down, put a notification so that you don't miss each and every content that is going to be coming your way. Alpha male, you must be having this wisdom points in your head every time that you're contacting with somebody and every time that you're listening to an outside observer. There are points that you must keep in touch and there are points that you must keep by you that you must understand before you can listen and before you can take somebody's advice and putting it to work as an alpha male. The first thing that alpha male you must understand so that you can be able to listen to an outside observer is that you gotta be open. You gotta be open. Yes, amazing alpha, you being open, it means that you must listen to the outside observer, the feedback that observer is bringing you, and also for it to be more effective and for you to be able to feel that this wisdom that I'm being shared with or this knowledge that this person is really sharing with me is very helpful and is very effective. That means that you must take out your beliefs and put them aside. Take out your beliefs and put them right on the table so that when you listen, you don't listen, you are not limited. You're not limiting yourself by your beliefs and you're not limiting yourself by what you already know. So be able to listen to that person and be able to be open. By you being open, you can be able to respond when that person is talking to you. And when you're not understanding something that the observer is sharing with you, you must validate so that you can ask more questions, validating with the conversation. That means you are agreeing and disagreeing to other points so that you can understand what the observer is trying to put in your life because it's all at the end benefits you as an alpha male. So listening to an observer, being open and validating, being in the conversation, asking questions if you're not really understanding, and be great and being an amazing alpha today. The second thing that you must know as an amazing alpha is that you must keep your emotions in check. Always keep your emotions in check. You see, amazing alpha, an observer sometimes can come and really hit you straight to the soul. You see, somebody who really cares about you, when he comes and tells you something that you're doing wrong or something that you need to improve or something that you need to adjust in your life, he comes and tells you that real thing that you are really doing that is really wrong, comes and hits you straight on the nerve and sometimes we take it wrongly, and sometimes we don't understand, and sometimes we feeling like that person is hating on us. But you as an amazing alpha, you're not just like anybody. You as an amazing alpha, you know how to handle your emotions. You know how to separate your emotions from hate. You know how to understand that this person is just being real on a realistic level, or he's just hating on a hating level. Because sometimes these observers, when they come and they share this truth with us, sometimes they can be like haters. But in the instant, they're not haters. They're just telling us what we need to improve. So you, as an amazing alpha, you must keep your emotions at check. Don't ever shut down when you hear something that is uncomfortable with you. Don't ever shut down the conversation. Keep the conversation going so that you can have this opportunity for you to learn. This opportunities for you, amazing alpha, to learn and to grow. So you must check your emotions every time and make sure that you don't take everything personal. Just take it as this person is just trying to help you, that you can get yourself to the next level and grow and be good as an amazing alpha, because you are amazing and you are amazing and you are amazing. The third thing that you must take as an amazing alpha is that you must listen with your head, not your heart. You must listen with your head, not your heart. Use these ears to listen, not the heart. Yes, amazing alpha, you listening outside to the observer, to listening to the people that are looking at your life, and for you to grow and for you to have change, you must know that you must think with your head and listen not with your heart. But you as an amazing alpha, you must understand that when somebody is telling you something, don't be so emotional and listen with it in your heart and say, he doesn't like me, that's why he's telling me this. No, you as an amazing alpha, you put that aside. What you need as an amazing alpha this year is growth. What you need as an amazing alpha is for you to reach the top peak and become the great of the greatest, because you are amazing. So when you are listening to your ears, not your heart, you listen. Then when you listen, you take the points down and you take what can you change and what can you improve in the information that you have get. Because this information that you have right now, if you can improve this information, I assure you that you're going to start to see change and your life is going to grow as an amazing alpha. So the thing that you must impact in your life this year is that you must start listening with your ears, not listening with your heart. So listening with your head, not your heart, and be the greatest amazing alpha that you are created to be this year. To listen to the observer and grow your life to the last step is that you must be able to listen, you must also understand, then you must validate. So listening, understanding, and validating the information that you are getting from the observer is important. Listening is a lifetime skill that we're going to be using the rest of our lives until no matter how old you are. So you as an amazing alpha, you must know that communication is the language to success. So when communication is the language to success, that means that you must first listen. By you listening to the person that you are talking to, and not only listening, you must listen to understand. When you listen to understand, don't just listen so that you can pass time and let it go. Listen so that you can understand, because when you listen to understand, that's how you grow. After you have understood what the person was really talking about, you must validate that information. You validating the information means that you're making the conversation with the observer a real conversation. Because validating is you agreeing, disagreeing to some certain parts, and you as an alpha male saying, yeah, I get you, yes, I get you, no, I can't agree, yes, tomorrow, I don't really think so, maybe Friday. You validating in that information, you validating in that conversation, gives the conversation power, gives the conversation life, for you to be the best amazing alpha that you were created to be, and live your life to your full potential today, because you are great, you are amazing. And this year is all about you listening, understanding, and validating the information and growing, because that's what love is growth. And you as the observer that loves you just want you to grow. You're gonna grow, and you're gonna grow more, and you're gonna become the best of the alpha male that you were created to be today. Thing, gentlemen, that you must put in your life, and this thing you must put it in your life each and every day, no matter what the circumstances can be, is that you as an amazing alpha, you gotta stay hydrated. You as an amazing alpha, you must stay hydrated. Stay hydrated, my bro. Drink as much water as you can, because this year, if you're able to drink water as much as you can, and this year, if you're able to take out all these bad habits and replace them with water, you're gonna be amazing, and you're gonna reach those top goals that you never thought you were gonna reach. You're gonna be on top of the peak, and you're gonna make them great because you are amazing and you are an alpha male. So stay hydrated today. Yes, amazing alpha. For you to be able to grow and be the greatest amazing alpha, you must listen to the people that are around you, the outside observers, the people that really care about you, that are close to you. That are the people that you must listen to. For you to listen to them, you must be open to yourself and keeping your emotions in check all the time. Listening with your head, not with your heart, is one thing that you must do so that you won't lose it and you can be able to listen, understand, and validate the information. That right there, my man, is love. So listen, understand, validate the information, and then grow and become the best. That was it for today, gentlemen, getting alpha male experience, and I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you find it so informative. And if you did, don't forget dropping us a like. Don't be afraid to dropping us a like down below. Comment right down below so that we can keep the comment feed going. Subscribe to the channel, yo. If you are new, I see you. You've been watching the channel from the back. Subscribe to the channel if you are new, so you don't miss each and any content that comes your way. Ring that notification bell, so that you can miss any of this content and be crazy, be amazing, and be the great alpha male that you are created to be today. So for me, Mas, and the rest of the game with Mas, my homie, we are out. Be amazing all the time, be kind all the time.